Hey, Backbeat News. Time to do a jig called My Darling Asleep. This is my first video ever, and I'm already messing up a bunch, so let's try it again. I tell you, the fingers don't want to move as fast as I want. The strumming sometimes gets discombobulated. Been watching a few videos, Matt Heaton, Online Academy of Irish Music. Just trying to get that galloping, 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 galloping. Try to relax the hand. I want to get it built up faster so I could play along with some of the cats at a session. We went to a youth one, my kids and I, and we had a great time. And this was one of the songs we played. I'm going to try to add a few more of these, I guess, easier tunes, and hopefully I can get better, and hopefully you can get better too. Take care.